Well, we always wanted 4 kids. And then, so I guess it was almost 3 years ago, we were just talking about it, and God just really laid on our hearts that it'd be really cool to adopt.
We knew that that's what God had for us, and we just started looking into adoption and researching different orphanages, and we found God's Littlest Angels in Haiti, which is ran by Christian missionaries.
About the first 4 or 5 months, you're really busy getting together the home studies, the background checks, all the fingerprinting, all of putting together our packet to send to Haiti. And there's a lot of stuff for us to do on our end. So that took 4 or 5 months. And then your work's essentially done at that point. It does just become a waiting game. And that's when the faith really comes in, because there's nothing else you can do.
Their faith was tested for 2 years. Scott and Abby moved their family into a new home, preparing for Alex.
All the kids picked out their bedrooms. We have 3 little girls. And then we had Alex's bedroom. And like a month after we'd been in our house, there's an intercom system, and we hadn't even bothered to open it up yet and look. And we opened it up, and all the rooms were labeled, and Alex's room was labeled Alex. And we were just like, once again, crying and chills, and how God's just confirmed. This has been a huge stretch of faith, especially for me, because I'm a worrier, and I keep my kids really close. I'm really careful with our children, and knowing I've got one over in a third world country that I have no control over but it's just like God's confirmed over and over that He's supposed to be in our family, and He's taking care of Alex.
They first met Alex in October 2009, visiting him in Haiti and then returning to the States. Then, in January, came Haiti's massive earthquake.
It was devastating, because I knew that if we had to continue on with the process, how would they even find the paperwork? Things were so chaotic in the Haitian government as it was. Once the earthquake happened, and our files are under, a bunch of ruins.
However, God moved quickly. As the U.S. granted humanitarian parole, visas were issued, and what had been a long, drawn-out process became a rapidly accelerated event.
We got an email that says everybody needs to get to Miami as soon as possible, because the visas have been granted to all of the children going to the United States, and they'll be flying into Miami tomorrow. And we were just amazed. Ecstatic.
I guess I've always heard stories, people who've experienced miracles or experienced things, but I don't think I ever thought personally I would experience it, and to experience Jesus' direct involvement, directly in our life. I know He's involved, and I know He cares, but this is just living proof. How could we not trust Him? How can I doubt that He cares?